my gosh, you guys. Hey guys, I hope you have an amazing day. It's Richard and welcome back to the Foodie TV. I'm in Okinawa, Japan right now and we're at Kukusai Dori Street. And Okinawa is known for their soba noodles, so I had to find a shop that had some. I was walking down on Kukusai Dori Street and stumbled upon Taira Noodle Factory. When I went past this shop, the aroma of the soup hit me right in the face. So we were like, we got to go in and try this noodle shop. I'm super excited to go ahead and try these soba noodles. So let's go and eat some. And I'm gonna show you guys in this video right now. I actually stumbled upon this shop by accident because we were looking for food to eat and there was nothing around, and we were just like, let's just try this place. At first, it looked like it was sold out because for some reason the menu said that the items here were sold out, but when we went in here, what it actually meant was that the items that I was trying to order was just only sold on the weekend, so they just put sold out so people don't try to order it. But lucky for us, it's a Sunday, so it was actually available, so I got to order it, and that's how I stumbled upon this amazing soba noodle dish here. And I talked to the owner and he said he made the noodles fresh here, and let me just show you guys. So here we have a nice pork belly that's just so tender. As I pick it up, I feel how much it jiggles, and it's just kind of like, it'll break if I push any harder. And here we have the braised pork that are just pieces of it, and they're bigger chunks of it and also very soft. It's just wiggling like jello as well. Like I said, my chopstick, if I press hard enough, it will make this break. And of course we got the noodles, the fresh soba noodles. Just look at that, you guys. You can tell it's freshly made because of the imperfection of it. It crinkles, some of the noodles are a little thinner than the others, and that's how you know it's not made by a factory. And of course the owner told me that it was freshly made here. So enough talk, let's go ahead and try this. But first, I'm gonna have to garnish it with some pickled ginger. It's not added in here when you order it, so you have to do it yourself. Just in case you don't like pickled ginger, that could be an option for you. I love pickled ginger, so I'm definitely gonna add that. And another thing that I'm gonna add is they have their 5 spice here. This is the Japanese version. I forgot the name of this. Let's see if I can find it. Nope. If you guys know what it is, leave in the comments and let me know. So I'm gonna add this in too because I like spicy. And of course, I want all of that umami flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there. That looks good. All right, so here's my bowl with everything. Check that out. Oh, I forgot to mention, this broth is so clear, you guys. Like this pork broth right here. And when you smell it, it smells so strong, so porky. You know that once you have a taste of this, it's just gonna hit you with all of that flavor. So let's get a sip of it first before I mix all of this in and ruin the pure taste of it. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys. That pork broth is so rich, but not in like a fatty way, like more of a flavorful umami bomb kind of way. It's just so full of like pork flavor. You can tell that they have been boiling bones and other pork material in here and just making all that flavor soak into this soup, and it tastes so good already, you guys. Let's go ahead and try everything else. I'm gonna go for this pork belly here. Here we go. I didn't even try to bite that. I kind of just left it on my lips and I pulled it and it came right off, but it is so tender. The fat is rendered perfectly, so it was not chewy, but melts in your mouth just like butter. My gosh. Let's get a bite of that noodles, the fresh noodles. Got some ginger on there. That noodle was so fresh, and I can tell because it was soft but chewy and bouncy all at the same time. It didn't have that texture where when you bite it, it was like floury. It was more of like a bouncy, chewy texture, but if you bite into it, it breaks right away kind of thing. I love how thick the noodles are too, so it makes it really fun to eat. Gives you a lot of texture in there. and I gotta have another bite right away. That noodle alone is just so good. Just soaked up all that rich broth. It made the noodles super, super flavorful. And that broth, you guys, I can't get enough of that right now. It is so good. Probably one of the best pork broth I've ever tried so far here in Japan. I love clear pork broth, you guys. That's my type of style. Tonkatsu is good, but sometimes it's just too rich for me and I can't, you know, drink the whole bowl. With this type of broth, I know once I finish all this, I'll drink this whole broth and it would be super satisfying to just clean up this bowl. Let's go try this braised pork that he got in there. It's a bigger chunk. And wow, look at that, you guys. There is, I don't want collagen, I would say, the tendon part. And it's I love that piece right there. Like, look at that. It just looks so good. I gotta get a bite of that side right there. It's like the tendon part, and you can tell that it's been braised for so long that it's so tender. So let me just get that piece right now. That was like butter or bone marrow texture when I slurped it right now. That was so amazing. Wow. Okay, let's take a bite of the meat actually now with some of that tendon. That is so good that I do not want to finish it right away. I'm gonna savor that and eat a little bit by little, so that way I can keep enjoying that. That was just so good. That was just so good. I don't think they could have done this any better. Cool thing about it is Okinawa is known for their soba noodles. I'm just so glad I stumbled upon this shop here because I just hit the jackpot. It is a must try. There's so much other stuff that you guys can try out on the Kukosai Food Street Village out there, but I don't know why this one hasn't been found or discovered yet because this is such a hidden gem. Like, it is so amazing. Small little shop, but they make amazing, amazing soba noodles here, you guys. Oh my gosh. Delicious. There's about, I would say, 15 seats in here, but people eat very quick because it's so good and people are just in and out, in and out. What sells me is the broth, the noodles, the braised pork. I will never find anything like this in California, in the States. So happy that we stumbled upon this place. And just like that, I'm down to my last bite. Here we go. Okinawa, Japan. Kukosai Food Street Village is where you're gonna find this. And of course, I'll have all of that info in the description below for you guys so you guys can find it. It's not hard to find. Once you see it, it really stands out. It's a small little tiny shop. There'll be a line, but the line moves very quick, like I said, because they only have about 15 seats in here. And you're gonna smell that broth and you're just gonna be like, I can't wait to eat it. That's what got up my attention, and here I am, loving it, just like that. If that doesn't speak for itself, then I don't know what will, you guys. I hope you guys give this place a try because I simply love it, and once you try it, you'll know what I'm talking about. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe. If you guys have any more recommendations of where I should try in Japan or any other type of food, leave in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of the Foodie TV. Peace.